Welcome to the Language Teaching Edition of TeacherMatic, crafted specifically for teachers and managers in the language training sector. This edition was built using valuable insights from leading organisations like the British Council, International House, Nile, Equals and English UK, ensuring it meets the practical needs of language educators around the world. Our goal with this edition is simple: to reduce workloads while improving both teaching and learning outcomes. This version is designed to help you quickly create materials tailored to your specific needs, whether for CEFR aligned language levels, the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, or targeted learning objectives. The navigation pane is your primary hub, offering a user-friendly way to access everything the platform has to offer. Let's break it down. Favorites. This is where your saved generations live. Think of it as your personal shortcut to the tools you use most frequently. Add tools to this list using the heart icon on generator cards. All generators. Explore the complete library of generators available on TeacherMatic. Whether you need a lesson plan, activity, or administrative tool, you'll find it here. New generators. As we regularly update the platform, this section highlights the latest additions to our growing library of tools. Saved results. This is your repository of generated content. Everything you create can be saved here for future access, so you don't have to start from scratch. Management tools. Within the navigation pane, you'll find specific management categories tailored to support administrative and organizational tasks. Quality. Tools to ensure high standards in teaching and learning. Marketing. Generators to assist with promotional materials and learner engagement. Administration. Simplify tasks like email, meeting preparation, and policy documents. At the top of the interface, you'll find the search bar, which makes it easy to find the right generator quickly. You can use it in two ways. Describe what you're aiming to do, and the system will suggest the most relevant tools. For example, you can type "create a vocabulary quiz" or "generate a worksheet," and the search will recommend the best generator for the job. Clicking on a result will take you straight to the generator, so you can start creating content immediately. The other way is by entering a specific keyword, and it will search for that keyword in the titles and descriptions of all available generators. For instance, if you type quiz, it will show you every generator related to quizzes. This ensures that you can find what you need quickly and efficiently without having to browse through all the options manually. TeacherMatic's interface has been designed to make your workflow intuitive and efficient. Info icon provides detailed descriptions and tips for each generator so you can use them effectively. Heart icon. Save your most used generators to your favorites for quick access. Use button. Get started with your chosen generator immediately with just one click. This streamlined setup ensures that everything you need is easily accessible. TeacherMatic's Language Teaching Edition includes a wide range of tools to support your work. Here's a glimpse of what's available. Glossary generator. Create topic-specific glossaries for your lessons. True or false generator. Design engaging activities to assess understanding. Summarizer. Condense lengthy texts into key points for lesson planning or comprehension tasks. Email responder. Draft polished responses to emails from learners or colleagues. These are just a few examples of how TeacherMatic can enhance your workflow. The library is continuously expanding, so there's always something new to discover. In the following videos, we're going to do a deep dive into some of these generators, showing you step by step how to use them effectively to save time and achieve great results. Stay tuned to unlock the full potential of these tools. To sum up, the Language Teaching Edition of TeacherMatic combines a robust library of tools with a simple and intuitive interface, empowering you to deliver impactful language education. From creating CEFR-aligned materials to streamlining administrative tasks, TeacherMatic is designed to help you focus on what matters most, teaching and learning. Thank you for joining us today, and we encourage you to explore the platform further to unlock its full potential. Enjoy your TeacherMatic experience.